Mahalwar, Dr. Prateek. What are the challenges healthcare is currently facing?
So I think healthcare is facing three bigger major problems. First is more around aging population. We have a huge amount of population which is going towards aging and developing neurological disorders. We don't have real treatment for neurological disorders. We can really treat them a little bit, but still we are waiting for a blockbuster which stops Alzheimer or treat it perfectly, make you perfect, or for Parkinson's and so on. The second challenge is we are spent too much spending in healthcare. So how we can make it more economic and value-driven healthcare on a population or a country level. That's the second challenge. And the third challenge is, this is something which I have been saying in my talk, three-word way of treating people: disease, pills, and cure. This is not going to work in each and every disease. We need to develop personalized treatments, personalized dosing, personalized way of making a plan for overall treatment and healthcare. This is something which should be there, but it's not there yet.
So what is your personal approach to achieving this viable solution?
I usually educate people, educate society. Many people are really scared of sharing their data and not really, mostly in the denial that nothing will happen to them. So I always educate people, saying, know more about yourself as much as you can, that what's going to happen, so that you can prepare for future. So I always say prevention is better than cure.
So what do you think Xpomet as a platform can do to foster progress?
So Xpomet is a very different concept. It's very different as compared to other platforms I have seen. Xpomet is not only taking industry people, but also researchers at the university, at the hospital. Means more or less everyone in the value chain. They are touching it. They are not only addressing the market issues, but they are addressing the core problem coming from research. Why so much research here in the academia is not translating into a real drug, into industry. They are touching on that issues as well. So I think it's fantastic. I have talked about many things today, and they are covering everything in terms of digitalization, blockchain, AI, population genetics, population health management. So it's a wide range, and I think that's kind of platform you need in order to solve problems at the ecosystem level.
What about the current culture and mindset? Will that be suitable for approaches for the future?
I think that's one thing which is a big, I would say, challenge, and you need to really tackle that. Especially in Europe, we are really savvy on data, that how we share and what we produce, how we share and to whom. But if you go to US or to China or to Asia, there's incredible growth and innovation. And I think we could learn a little bit from that other cultures. So I think we have to work on the change management at the cultural aspect to make people feel more confident that everything will be fine, to address their issues and to really help them, to handhold them during this process.